Experiencing overheating on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max while charging or during calls with AirPods Pro 2? You're not alone. Many users reported this issue soon after the phone's release in September 2024. The primary cause was a software bug in iOS 18.1, which made the phone generate excessive heat during wireless charging or when streaming audio via Bluetooth during calls. Using fast charging, 30 watts via MagSafe or 35 watts via USB-C, and the constant data exchange with AirPods Pro 2 for spatial audio and noise cancellation further contribute to the problem. High ambient temperatures can also worsen the issue, especially if you live in a warmer climate. First, update to iOS 18.2 or later. Apple released this update to specifically address the overheating bug. Make sure you are using Apple-certified chargers to avoid compatibility issues that can cause overheating. Monitor your battery health in Settings, General, iPhone Storage to check for any issues that might contribute to overheating. Close unused apps to reduce background processing that can generate excess heat. Avoid charging your iPhone in hot environments, as this can exacerbate overheating issues. If the problem persists, contact Apple support for free diagnostics and potential warranty replacement. Future iPhones are expected to incorporate vapor chamber cooling, which should resolve overheating issues in upcoming generations.